right, so as you guys know, I like to give it a little bit of time before we open up and kind of check out the direction of the market. So why are we in this trade? So just so you know, I'll put my P&L at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. So this is Tesla, and we are in 5 contracts of options on Thinkorswim. So currently we're working on it, but to get our indicators on the Thinkorswim platform is very interesting. Our indicators calculate a lot of data, and some platforms are really good at keeping up with their. Anyway, it's a challenge. So let's just say it like that. And our indicators are very, very strong and require a lot of power. Not so much from the computer as much as from the platform. It's kind of complicated to explain, but what I do is for now is I use my charts on TradingView and NinjaTrader, and then trade options on Thinkorswim. This isn't an endorsement. You do what you want, not financial advice. Maybe you like Tastyworks, maybe you like Interactive Brokers or the other ones, or I don't know. There's a million of them. I don't know. I use Thinkorswim. So, anywho, so why are we in this trade? Let's walk through this. So this is Tesla, and as you can see right from the open, we get some bright green candles. We got some green candles. We got now we're getting our third up confidence arrow. And just remember that when price is below the blue line, when price is below the Maverick guide, we like to go short. When price is above the blue line, we like to go long. Okay, and you can just see that over and over and over again. So we got a green background. We have bright green candles. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Pink is your strongest downside candle. Again, I say this all the time, but if you're just using red and green candles, you're a little bit at a disadvantage. I'm not telling you you can't be successful with it, because there's plenty of people who are. But I'm not the world's best trader. I need all the help I can get. Why not let the Maverick AI Pro color your candles to the data that we're seeing? Meaning we're looking at a ton of points of data in the background to say, hey, what's actually really going on this candle? Is there a lot of energy? Is there a lot of momentum? Is there a lot of buyers or sellers? And there's a ton of reference points in these candles. And then it colors it one of 5 colors, okay? And bright green is our strongest upside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. Gray is indecision or reversal. And we teach you all this when you get our indicators. But I want to know what's going on behind the scenes. I want to know what's going on, like more so than just looking at a red or a green candle and the size of it and the direction. Okay. So we're above the Maverick guide, the blue line. Remember, we like to go short when we're below it. We like to go long when we're above it. We have now 1, 2, 3 up confidence arrows. We have a green background. We don't have a buy signal, but that's okay. See this sell signal right here? Remember what I told you guys yesterday. Don't pay attention to any buy or sell signals last hour of the market or last 30 minutes of the market. Last 30 minutes of the market, all the algos are taken over. I don't know why you'd be trading there anyway. Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders. Okay, think of these T1 through T5 as 5 traders. They're algorithms, but think of them as traders. They all have a completely different style, and they're looking for different things. And they're all voting across 6 time frames. Now, you can set this for a 7th time frame, and you can set the time frames for whatever you want. If you want it on a 30-minute, a 60-minute, a 90-minute, a 4-hour, whatever you want. But all 5 traders are voting across 6 time frames, and they're giving you their vote. Are we bearish or are we bullish? And this is really powerful. This is like being in a room with 5 other traders and they're all casting their vote. It just adds confidence. It stacks probability in your favor. All right, so we have 3 confidence arrows in a row. We're above the Maverick guide, which is the blue line. We have a green background. All 5 traders are voting pretty much bullish across 6 time frames. okay? And that calculates per tick, okay? So every tick movement. We have an uptrend label on our Maverick trender, and the trender line can't go any further. When this line is pegged to the top, that is showing massive strength and momentum, okay? It's not like an RSI or a stochastic where it fakes you out and it starts to come up. Oh, no, it's going to go down. Oh, it starts to come up. Oh, no, it's going to, nah, nothing like this line of the Maverick trender is either at the top or it's at the bottom. There's no in between, okay? And when that line, if it's a green line, you're bullish. If it's a red line, you're bearish. You can just look back at the chart and see how that resulted. If it's green and it's pegged to the top, you have massive strength and momentum to the upside. And then we get an uptrend label. So this is how we stack momentum. We let our indicators tell us the data that's going on behind the scenes. And then when your Maverick AI Pro is coloring your background, coloring your candles, bright green, you have a bunch of up confidence arrows. When your Maverick Multi-X, all 5 traders are voting bullish. And then when your Maverick trender is voting uptrend with the line pegged to the top, that's how you stack probability, right? Okay. So I'm going to watch this trade. And if it starts to come back down on me, we are about to hit a resistance level. I'll probably close it out. I won't let it go below 1,000 on this trade. But if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, if you want to see more than just red and green candles, and actually we teach you how to do this, but how to read these indicators, but actually see what's the data saying behind the scenes and have that edge. Whether you're on NinjaTrader or TradingView, again, I'm using TradingView right now to trade options on Thinkorswim. Come check us out. It's free to look. It's not for everybody, but man, we have a lot of folks that are having some crazy good results. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We would love to help you crush it in 2026. All right, guys. All right, I'm going to keep watching this trade. Again, I won't let this go below. My line in the sand is 1,000. I could close it out right now, but we're still kind of bullish here. I'm just going to see how it plays out. And I hope you guys have a really safe and amazing trading day. Come check us out, MaverickIndicators.com.